Been a couple weeks since I started old girl up. She been sitting, she been waiting. She's good and ready for a nice little tune. I ain't started up in a minute. We're gonna give a first little quick start. See if the battery. Oh, the battery is charged too. Put it in neutral. Oh. Start right up? Does she start right up? Yes, sir. She started right up. Like she ready to go. She's ready to go. That vibrant exhaust. She running that. Oil pressure good. Running at 14.0 right now on first start. We looking like something. Time to get girl tuned. Let's see what she make. Let go.